Hey friends, today we are looking at an interesting problem which we come across many iPhone users. How do you block a caller? If someone has been calling you repeatedly and you want to block them from calling you, how do we do it? So let's look at two different ways of doing this. First, I'll go into my phone app and go to my recent calls. In my recent calls, you will notice this number at the bottom. That is an unknown number and I want to block it. You see this I button next to this number? I would click that and I can scroll to the bottom of the list to click block this caller. As simple as that, this caller is now blocked. Now, you can do this even from your contacts. If you go into your contacts, select any particular contact, and if you scroll down, you will see block this caller option again. You can block them. Now, if you want to check all of your blocked contacts in one single location, it is possible as well. Let's go to settings. So we go to settings. Inside settings, we find phone. Inside phone, we look for blocked contacts, which is right here. If I click this, you will see a long list of contacts that I have blocked over the years. And this is synced across my iCloud ID. So it is valid for all the phones or all iPhone devices which I use. Now I can add a new contact which I want to block right from here. If I click add new, I can just select a contact that needs to be blocked and it can be done from here as well. Goes without saying, if I want to unblock someone, I just swipe and I can click unblock. As simple as that. So guys, here is a bonus for you. If you go to your settings app and scroll down to the option phone, Apple has given an amazing way to avoid spammers and unknown callers. You can simply select the option called block all unknown callers or silence unknown callers. You see this option here? You just enable this and every unknown call would go straight to your missed call directory and it will not show up. It will not show a notification. It will not disturb you. But here is the amazing part. If you have called someone before, if you have made an outgoing call to any of these people, those calls will come through. And if someone has emailed you and that email address is read by Siri in your mail app, which is called Siri Suggestions, it's a contact which Siri thinks you have been in touch with, those calls will come through. So it's a fantastic feature. I generally use this called silence unknown callers. And if someone is calling me repeatedly and if I think it's important, I do call back at times. Do let me know in comments how you have been handling unknown callers. Bye.